Assalamu alaikum students, welcome back to another science class for week 3. Our today's topic is magnets and electromagnets. A magnet is a piece of iron or steel which can attract objects made of metal like iron, steel, nickel and cobalt. Electricity can be used to change magnetic materials into magnets. Such magnets are called electromagnets. The magnetic field is the area around the magnet where its force is the strongest. And the fourth week topic is light. The objects which produce light are called luminous objects. For example, sun, firefly, flame, and fire. Things through which light cannot pass are called opaque. Steel, wood, and rock are opaque materials. Things through which only a little light can pass are called translucent. Dark glasses, thin paper, and colored plastic are translucent. Some things allow light to pass through them quite easily. These things are called transparent. Glass and clear plastic are transparent.